the next point is password storage. So, which is what we've already discussed. So, when it comes to storing password, it is crucial to protect them from unauthorized access. So, the reason is if password was stored as such in the database, so the same example which I've already mentioned, like if some your account is already logged in and some unauthorized user is using your logged in account, they can get all your information. So the password is stored as such in the database, so they can actually get your password and then do whatever. They can completely hack your account. So and sometimes you will be having the same password in most of your accounts, like in your Gmail also, and then Instagram or wherever. So using that one password which he got, he can actually hack a lot of your accounts. So this is one reason why hashing is done for password. And then comes cryptographic applications. Like hash functions play a crucial role in various cryptographic protocols. For example, digital signatures and message authentication codes rely on hash functions to ensure message integrity and authenticity. So when it comes to, when you're working with blockchain technology, there are a lot of you learn a lot of things like Bitcoin, then something like digital signature. Yeah, a lot of these cryptography application comes under blockchain technology. So hash functions are also used in blockchain technology to secure transactions and maintain the immutability of the ledger. So ledger and all is something which comes under the blockchain technology. So yeah, so now I hope you would have understood like one of the major reasons like why we need hashing and why it is very important. Now hash in Julia. So in Julia, the hash function is built in and can be used without the need to import any specific package. So hash function comes as a built-in function in Julia, and you don't have to import any package for that. And the hash function in Julia provides a hash code based on the content of the structure of the input data. It is designed to be fast and efficient general purpose hash function suitable for various use cases in Julia programming. So now I will show you how hash works in Julia. Okay, I'll just open command prompt, that is enough. So I'll go to Julia mode and write something like, okay, suppose I'm giving a string, hello world. Okay, now I'm writing something like hash value is equal to, so this is the function, hash of, this is the inbuilt function in Julia which will generate a hash code. So inside this bracket as an argument, you can give the string which you want to hash it. Okay, now you can see some random numbers generated here. This is the hash code which is given here in hexadecimal format. But when you print it, if you do print ln of hash value where the hash code is stored, you will get in decimal representation. So if you do print ln of the hash code that is generated, you will get it in the decimal format and it will be stored in hexadecimal format. But when you print it, it will be printed in decimal format. So it's as simple as this. So this is how we deal with hash in Julia. So by now, I'm assuming like you would have already known socket programming in Julia. So in the next video, we'll see an application where we'll be it's a socket programming application. So when we make a new client, we'll be storing that information in a variable and create a hash for that, and you can send a message from one client to another client based on this hash, like if that client already exists, which we can check through the hash key. And if that person exists, then send this message to that person. Like based on hash key, we can validate the existence of the client and send messages to, rather than like broadcasting message, we can send messages to like particular clients. So we'll see that application in the next video. Thank you.